Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another Hot Wheels case unboxing. So in today's video, we got the Amazon black box, but not just one. We got two of them here. This is for the C case. It's not like an entire case. It's only 16 cars, but these are exclusive to Amazon. You can get the treasure hunt and also a chance at a super treasure hunt according to the listing. I don't know if anybody's ever gotten a super through one of these, so we're definitely gonna find out. I do want to point out that when you buy on Amazon, there is the chance, like this box is kind of crushed, you can see it right there, and a little bit right there. So hopefully everything inside is going to be fine. Let's see, there's seals are on this side, a little bit more damage right there in the box. 16 cards, it should be some of like the newer cars for 2023. Like I said, these are from the C case. And if you guys want to pick some of these up, there's going to be links in the description down below so you guys can go pick those up. They have all the upcoming cases. Right now, I think they have E and F available to pre-order, so definitely go pick those up. Link in the description down below. But let's go ahead and get started with unboxing the Amazon exclusive black box. All right, let's go ahead and open this up. And I'm just going to pull out a couple cards at a time. Okay, so we got the Dior 3 as well as the Pagani Zonda R, which that one is one of my favorites. We have the Max Steel, as well as a Greenwood Corvette. Twin Duction and Roller Toaster, some generics here. We got a Barbie Extra and a, let's call it Pro Street Thunderbird. Ooh, okay, so we got the Dodge Charger Drift, as well as a Mazda 787B. This one actually looks really cool. Jeep Wagoneer, as well as Hot Wheels High. '98 Mazda Savannah RX-7, and a Batman Forever Batmobile. And the final two are the Group C Fantasy and the 68 Copo Camaro. This one, I believe, was the Super Treasure Hunt for like the C case. Obviously, we did not get the regular treasure hunt, and we did not get the Super. But let's go ahead, set this box aside, and open up the next one. All right, let's go ahead and pop this open and see what we got. So we got another Barbie Extra, Pro Street Thunderbird. I'm not going to say that entire name because there's a lot to that. Another Twin Duction and the Roller Toaster. This is honestly looking like a duplicate case. So we got Max Steel, Greenwood Corvette. And almost laid in here the same exact order as well. So hopefully they're not completely the same. Dior 3, Pagani Zonda R. Dang, it kind of actually looks like it, yeah. Dodge Charger Drift, Mazda 787. Jeep Wagoneer, Hot Wheels High. Mazda Savannah RX-7, Batmobile. And the Group C Fantasy and the Copo Camaro. So, obviously, we did not get a Super Treasure Hunt. We did not get a regular treasure hunt. This is actually a little disappointing, honestly. I've seen some people get like the regular treasure hunt out of these. I do already have like the case D, E, and F already pre-ordered. So stay tuned. There's going to be a lot more videos coming up. Also, the majority of these cards are actually going to go onto my Mercari. So if you guys do not have a Mercari account, it's I guess similar to like eBay or OfferUp, stuff like that. There's going to be a link in the description down below. If you guys use my link, set up a Mercari account, you go on there and you can buy and sell pretty much anything you want. If you use my link, though, when you make your first purchase, I believe you get $10 credit on your account. And when you sell stuff and you sell up to $100 worth of stuff, you get an additional $20 on your account. So nothing's better than obviously selling stuff, making $100 out of it, and then you get an additional 20 on top of that initial 10 from making your first purchase. So definitely go check out all the links in the description down below. Pick these up on Amazon. Check out Mercari. But if you like this video, hit the like button. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, because there are going to be a lot more Hot Wheels unboxings coming soon. Like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.